So, I'm on top of a building right now. I'm not sure I'm supposed to be up here. I'm up here now. Let's take a look at this view for a minute. This is cool. Wow. Wow. So I found this thing, which is an ISS transmitter of some kind. Don't know exactly what it does, but those are the inner workings. And I lifted this off and it came unplugged, but there's a couple of those things that say on, and it looks like they're in the off position. But yeah, this is what I found up here, and that's what that thing is. I don't know, I couldn't tell you. If you know what an ISS transmitter is, let me know.
I don't wanna go, I don't wanna go. Jacket filler, the show ain't nothing iller. Man, I'm a lady killer. If I want her, I'm a stealer. I promise I could make her fly away like caterpillars. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.